You got to look right at him and just... Someone with a prosthetic leg points a gun at me. Now notice he's putting the technologically advanced leg back because he doesn't want me to have it. Not only is it quite expensive, but it's quite advanced material. So when he is pointing it at me, first thing I want to do is motion towards that leg. I'm not worried about this. He's not ready to shoot me yet. So I'm going to reach back and he's going to move that leg back. That is going to be the chance for me to push it offline. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the front part of the slide here and I'm going to push back like that, and that's going to eject a cartridge, right? Now a lot of these carry, 15, 17 rounds, so I just have to count in my head, do this as many times as I need to do it in order to get all the bullets to fly out. You got to do it really fast, and you got to watch the gun and the attacker at the same time. So you got to look right at him and just... 17. Once you do that, you can let go of the weapon. I'm going to move here, ankle pick here, okay? I then move to the bionic leg. And so what you have to do is you have to make sure you grab hold with both hands and you just want to do a good hard pull here. Ow. Removing, okay? Removing. This has now become my weapon. This was his weapon, now it's my weapon. So if he sits up into me, striking here, knocking him right back down, double handing and re-stomping the groin like so. Master Ken here, letting you know about an event called Still in the Fight, Saturday, November 8th, 2025 at the Detroit Public Theater.